The brief given was the presentation, the topic is Garnier Men face wash, especially it was specified that the model is John Abraham. The audience for the presentation, as in I'm supposed to make it to the media planner at the agency, and the remarks was this brand usually they believe in English, and since they're using Hindustan Times, they're also packaging HH with HT to cover UP Uttarakhand. This is just an overview of Garnier Men's face wash. It's available pan-India. Focus is top metros. Majority of the budgets are on television, and whatever is in print, preferably it's on English newspapers and digital as well. Communication objective is oil-free skin. This is the key point that I'll be taking the presentation forward. The TG is males 15 to 34 years of age, SEC AB. And the influencers are usually the friends and actors whom they consider as role models. Business objective, increase market share. Competition is Pond's, Emami, Himalaya, everybody has a men's face wash. Category, FMCG. Garnier Men face wash in association with Dainik Jagran. Now, we wanted to share with you what is our brief, what is our understanding of the face wash category. Face wash, which was 5 years ago a 100 crore category, has now become a 1000 crore category. So there is a lot of growth in this category, and people are accepting face wash as a FMCG product in their lives. Looking at this point, majority of the FMCG clients are trying to encash on this, and they're trying to upgrade their consumers to premium segments. Basically, the Indian skincare category comprises of body care, facial care, hand care and depilatories, out of which facial care generates 58% of the market's overall value. Out of this, face wash and cleansers account for nearly 26% of the facial care market, which is huge. This is our understanding of the face wash category. Now, we know that family brands is a thing of the past. Earlier times we used to have कि हर घर में होता था एक साबुन हर कोई यूज़ करेगा, शैम्पू हर कोई यूज़ करेगा, मम्मी पापा बच्चा बेटी सब वही यूज़ करेंगे, हेयर ऑयल होगा हर कोई वही यूज़ करेगा. But right now we see that over the past few years, there's a paradigm shift that is happening in the way the products are being launched. That is, personal care products are actually being bought by basis personal preferences, and that is the reason we see that a lot of personal care products are being launched specifically for men. तो अभी ये है कि मेरा शैम्पू ये है, मेरा सोप ये है, मेरा हेयर ऑयल ये है. That's how people are looking at their products. In spite of this is the reason that you see all the FMCG majors, that is even an HUL, Emami, Dabur, Park Avenue, Garnier, all these are typically companies who have women-oriented products, a Dove, a Lux, a Breeze, or Dabur Vatika. But every single FMCG major has got into specific products for men. And why is this happening? Because the Indian male consumer is becoming more and more brand conscious and is willing to spend time and money on his own personal grooming. Now coming to the brand that we are talking, that's your brand Garnier Men face wash. What we understand from you is, what we understand from the communication is the basic proposition and the communication, stay oil free, and you can fight the 6 facial skin problems, that is basically dark marks, blackheads, pimples, oily skin, pores, redness, etc. Now, if this is the brand communication, what is the target audience that you are looking at? Basically, it's males 15 to 34, SEC AB. अभी ये अगर आपका TG है, तो let's see who actually this TG could be. It's basically college students who indulge in a lot of sporting activities. बहुत सारा टाइम बाहर घुमाते हैं, कॉलेज, क्लासेस, आउटिंग, शॉपिंग, फ्रेंड्स के साथ मस्ती. यंग एग्जीक्यूटिव्स एंड सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड प्रोफेशनल्स, अगेन बाहर घूमना घामना होता है. These are the people who cannot afford to buy a four-wheeler in the initial stages. तो इनका होता है कि चलो अपना 2 व्हीलर लेके यहाँ वहाँ घूम चलो, अगेन आउटडोर है. Men, these are basically the people who spend more time outdoors, and because of this they experience harsh climatic conditions. यूपी में climatic conditions, long and hot summers, dust storms भी होते हैं, the winters go down to 0 degrees Celsius. This is when all these skin problems arise. You have your oily skin, you have rashes and all that stuff. UP is ranked the 3rd highest amongst the 28 states with high air population, again a reason for skin problems. Now state-wise length of roads in UP, this is one major point which we may feel that it is irrelevant, but then the longest network of roadways. So a lot of time people travel by road, a lot of time is spent on that. Again, when we talk about market potential, UP Uttarakhand states have the largest number of two-wheelers in India, across all states put together. Again, when you look at these two states, they have the largest number of students. So these are the ones who spend a lot of time outside. Bombay, Delhi में metro है, air conditioned है, UP में नहीं है. And especially if you look at the TG that you are looking at, that is the males 1530 to 34 SCC AB, UP Uttarakhand ranks 2nd. तो आप देखोगे, there's Maharashtra. Sorry. You have Maharashtra, which comprises of Bombay, and then you have Delhi. But दोनों के बीच में UP Uttarakhand है, which is a very important, should be a very important market for you. Now, when you look at UP as a state, now let's see. You have always been focusing on English, English, English. But then in UP, does English deliver? No. 85% of the reach is given by Hindi daily. English is there, but Hindi delivers the numbers. If you look at within the TG itself, that's males 15 to 34 SCC AB. Even when you look at DJ, HH and HT, you have been taking HT, and since HH comes in package, you want to combine HH with HT. HH delivers only 7% of the reach in the target audience. DJ gives you 64% of the reach. And if you look at sole readership in UP Uttarakhand, if you do not use Dainik Jagran, you're losing out on 64 lakh readers who do not read anything else other than Dainik Jagran. Even in the TG, if you look at it, 4,99,000 readers read only Dainik Jagran, they don't read anything else. Competitor activity, for example, an Emami face wash. 26% of their volumes are consumed in Dainik Jagran. Now, if we have to think of, chalo, le liya Jagran, kya kar sakte hain? You can do front page impact advertisements. You can maybe correlate the Jankar, that is entertainment supplement, and whenever we have maybe an article on John Abraham, we could place the ad of Garnier Men Wash also. Since we say that it's the younger age group, they would be interested in a lot of sports, so we could have pointer ads in the sports page. We could do the branding on the scorecard during the cricket match. Initiate a section in Jankar supplement, maybe on grooming tips for men. This could be branded by Garnier. Dainik Jagran readers, we feel it is the right audience for Garnier Men face wash.